she was seeking for some vacancy. Said she wanna be my secretary. She never passed her GCE, no. But she said she wanna work for me. She said she don't really have a diploma, but she sure can do the job. She said don't ever listen to the rumor, no, 'cause the work is better than to rob. She told me she'd fix my desk, she'd fix my chair. Yes, she told me she would take good care. You're a middle-aged businessman, she said, and I sure wanna give a hand. She told me she'd fix my desk, she'd fix my chair. Yes, she told me she would take good care. You're a middle-aged businessman, she said, and I sure wanna give a hand. She said she don't really have a diploma, but she sure can do the job.